If you wish to connect your PC to your phone with TeamViewer, please follow these steps. Please note that you will need to have installed on your PC the TeamViewer app. Also, on your phone, you will need to have Quicksupport TeamViewer app. If you need to install this and you need help, check the description of the video. First, for somebody to connect to your phone, you need to open the Quicksupport app. Tap on it. If you are the first time on the app, a presentation will start. Swipe from the right to left to go to the last page. Tap on Done. If you have a Samsung device, it will ask you to activate Knox. Tap on Activate. Also, the app will require special access, so tap on Settings. Now, here, allow permission on Quicksupport to appear on the top. Just switch this to On. Let's go back to the app. We need to send this ID to the person who wants to connect to the phone. This status shows that somebody can connect to our phone. After you have sent the ID, just wait. When somebody will try to connect to your phone, you will receive a notification like this. Tap Allow if you wish to allow that person to connect to the phone. You will receive a warning for Android that you can expose sensitive data when you do the cast or record. This notice may vary from device to device, but if you wish to allow the other person access to your phone, tap Start Now. Here you can tap on Allow Only while using the app for location. You have now given access to your phone. Let's see how the other person sees this. See here that I'm now connected with TeamViewer for Windows on my Android device, and it works quite well. Now, when you wish to close the connection, go back to the TeamViewer Quicksupport and tap on the X button from the top. You have now accessed your phone from a computer. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.